Welcome back to the 11-foot homemade DIY foam kayak. Okay, right here I got my my magnetic piece of big giant magnet in there to hold pliers and hooks or whatever it is you want. And if you have a beverage in a steel can, you'll hold that. Now what I'm going to put in here is some plywood inlays for these to go on. So I've already carved them out. That's kind of a boring thing. You just put it up there. Put it up here. Trace it out and take your razor, go around it, and just slowly chisel it out. These pieces of wood were warped just right, just by. I mean, that was so close. So let's glue this sucker in. Not really any way to use a clamp on these because my clamps only reach to here. I don't have big boy clamps that reach all the way down. And I cannot put a screw in. I was gonna put this on the outside and put a screw in from the outside, but a 3-inch screw is not gonna reach through all that. So I have another way to do it. And of course I put in some plywood inlays here and here and up here. You never know what you wanna. Never know what you put in there. Make sure you test dry fit these first. Let's see. Move you around to the other side. Make sure you dry fit them first. You don't want to get glue all over the side that doesn't go in. Right there. So it's got that little bit of warp, remember? So it sticks out some. Put it in the right direction. It is good. Alright, let's get a little compression on it. A little compression. And you can do this however you need to do it, whatever works for your application. Don't put too much pressure on it because you'll flex out your sides. You want to be flexing your sides out. After this dries, we'll go back there and I'll caulk that. And all this little pieces of wood that you put in here, it'll build strength. I haven't cut out my back yet, or bottom sole plate. So remember, you gotta leave room. Can't put this stuff down permanent until we get. I'm gonna cut it from that piece of wood over there. Remember, we cut through the pattern, paper pattern, and then I'll put a couple more pieces of plywood inlay here. I'm right-handed, so I put the magnet on that side. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Leave me a nice comment. I always appreciate it. I'll come back and return the favor.